Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we're on the Carnival Horizon. We're on the promenade deck here in the back of the ship in deck 5. This is where your Havana Club is, but there are also cabins back here as part of the Havana Club, or Havana Lounge. And so we're going to show you where your cabin is in relationship to the stairs here, the elevators, as well as any crew doors. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, we can't point the camera so you see every door and every door number. If we did, well, you'd get seasick. So when we get down here to the end, I'm just going to call out the numbers and point them out with my finger. And do us a huge favor: when you see and or hear your door called, leave a comment below and let us know when you're going to be sailing on the beautiful Carnival Horizon. So we're going to be starting all the way up here and then working our way backwards. All right, so as you see, crew area only up there. 5239, 5237, 35. 5233, 231, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5, 5203, crew door 5201. So there are your cabins on that side of the ship. Let's get to the other side. Now there are additional Havana cabins. They're just up on other decks towards the back of the ship. They would still have the same access to the Havana Lounge that everyone else does. They're just not down here part of the compound. 5202, crew door, room 4, 206, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34.
Crew door.
And a crew door? Did I miss a crew door?
Yeah, you missed it on the other side too.
Yeah. Hey, you know, both sides there. Sorry about that, y'all. I don't want that job. $52.36, $52.38, $52.40, and then this leads you, and that's a crew door right there. This leads you to a set of stairs that can get up to the other Havana cabins, but it also leads you back here into the lounge. So there you have it. Here are all your Havana cabins and suites down here on deck 5. Remembering there are some further upstairs. They're just not part of this compound, but they do have all the same benefits. So until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe, and don't forget to leave a comment below when you saw and or heard your cabin call. Ciao.